instructed by one being, like one being instructed. This morning, what I want to share with you is that the sovereign God wakes us every morning. Oyakropon enyane anopebia. Na anopebia onyania. He instructs us. He instructs us. Anopebia, what God does say. Who instructing. So this morning, the instruction of the Lord is what we are going to walk with. Sadie Yankopon nyani anopebia o instructing. Some instruction comes in so many forms. Obiara said your ordaining instructions ni free. And every morning, God instructs us to do what is right. So what is the instruction that God is giving you this morning? Aropai a day that I may akasho. What a day now do I swan tear? A bright ye free ye free moon. When God instructs us, God instructs us to know the word that sustains the word. Sir, ye be nya semua. Ebema de waboto enso sorry. So if God has instructed us this morning to get a word that will awaken the spirit of the worry, we don't have to destroy the day for everyone. Arapai yebube bre yakwa juba. Obiara anyhow, people are down, people are worried. There are a lot of things that are ekoso. Ti arapai untimi fa unsem bi meka enipa bi enhye adase over unsem bi emesai nipa. You can't just wake up and destroy people's day. Tika ba okwa akotena. Atweye wo kasa ho. Don't make your mind so okwa abusive language. Obi atena kan obi afri ni fie ba pressure that is so no. And that pressure what? So be careful. When they come out will be di wo kamu, when the sama obeka, etobi atena kamu tiakra, obi aje so just say etobi ebu apaye. Baby be adwin edan. Be adwin. Obo so an pressure dance o gina car wo tena mu aye ba ko say ni wie fi ni ho kra. The fact that a person sat in the car wanchi adunche ema ne mnye nipa bonini ana nipa even born. Ebi kra adwen edan so anopai or dey fro no. Enya adwen ketwa. So offices so a enya wa adwen say why o ho agiman. Now they are kasa funkwa na catch people to depress people, to bring people down. Obia one issues that the person is bringing from his house, especially in the morning. I feel na settings in the business so we have to be careful. We have to be very careful because people are coming with a lot of burdens. Nipa be bread is some near a kwanana ya appreciate their bedjuba. If you can't do anything for them, just shut up. Don't destroy anyone's day with your silly talk. Our parents out to me a remobia and it yamu kawano pado and kose will be that. What do you say? Unukasa don't kose will be dead for the day because people are carrying a lot of burdens. But at a pay, and it just some woman say, Sa or bre, I will bre, a man for count one some, and I would your bread to do, and I go away, they say, would you continue to hustle? That could those who are laughing at your hustle will become the same people that are going to praise you. And Kofua, O bra odam. Amaniam odam oya odam niamam wajuba oya krar bi srodo. They are the same people far. Ombeba wanim ababekoto. So let no one despise you of your hustle. Ade a bia kwan paso na bro sika no. That is what you were born to do. Aba obi bia da. Aba obi bia da MSS ade ne ma. And a man fed yet and chill for what you are doing. I saw a young man, the video that I was so happy. And this is what a young man is doing. That the particular market or don't. Obia drew what or top ninsu. Why should ninsu no? Sa ever say yogurt for your mupuli bino. Ye piano san. I don't want to see versus what she says. Oto so that. Now there are 2 trails so and they are brown. So the market women no answer because of how or several Oto so that now there are 2 trails so they are brown. Or the 2 ideas to show themselves. You do what you are offered, you know, there are 2 traces. There are some sources and I was said there is a tree, but we guys are your equipment. Or the toast or the bro. The value that is adding to this soda auto. So let no one bia juma one day would you tibu bomb day ya. One day, that one day will come. And first so Tim said that no kaunimwa kayemre. Because say nimchina. In the wisdom of our forefathers, they said, a che ente ya in yai echeswa. And that hassle that you are going through, sa hassle, no, I would not joma oba no. And I didn't move them. Is that hassle? So one give up. And you become innovative with that hassle. And that's that hassle that will take you to another level. So why jamu ama now tokoswa. So I said hassle no. I don't know you a few money. So about carry on Becca, or the moment people will talk no matter what. But continue to be in that hassle, continue to be innovative, to be up and doing, continue to struggle, and throughout the struggle, one day you will give back. Tiasa obi akwa awon so no. Bechima pushi say near son nam wofu so ne do bi kra mba na Ghana gynecologist resabe wura se no wa check it nurse no wa check it in tete ho den sa. You continue pushing until the baby comes out. So that is how the hassle that you are going through is like. You continue push. That whole while that bet yanning. I bet you are Yakopon. Or run a name in a cheek or be bear anyone. On Monday pa and who ye embrace so a brian so yet so abba. Say I am Mary Assigida who say. A penisiere quadrada ya famuno. Or no yamin a year free. Na ya kaye ABC mu rara dia safo rade yakopon no eye free amani hunum ere ya kwona dem. So this morning I want me person peja uti, lift up your head, chest out, nanante. I will say your breakthrough will be in so. Found dear done a bang and give up. And it will be glad for all men to see. And they will say, this is the doing of the Lord. And I pray, may the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say, Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. And it's a beautiful morning. You pay about 7. Orlando mo ene mbapa mbetra se na sports news so omo abie chapters ni nyina mu ede amayen anopay also ho na no achi no 7:30 we will be back da ya toa so asomo da ya te Sa World Bank for a day, cocoa prices be about to about more than 15%. 50%, and we are cocoa no. Send ye TN says, ah, never called ya. Ah, cocoa, and we are so born to Sabete. I bet by 50%. You who minority for so ebusa question wo emra she be dwafie say abai ka kire say sa sector levy a wo de toto so beyond my energy levy sector we levy na ndi atoto so omse na sika no hin. A man should be accountable to all these levies. They are told him for taxpayers. I have says, "Can they have J? That's baby on no moon, baby on your scano." The minority is calling of the government. Sir, undisclosed, the sector levy no, Emma Ghana for and so, and who said, "Yeah, Quara, exactly like John Drabani, Mahama Sudan, and sea defense, what or tete." A poano sa area hono wa ne so na baba na ne sa no eno so omugu mu hwehwem na omugu so eye adwuma enso so eho aropai ye behwe na yedi eno so eho enkomo. There is a lot that has happened. Carelessness ayeka our health personnel so no e come here say ye nurses ne ye paramedics ne ye doctors ne bebre na anti you ababa wo bia wu ya babra okọ ba bi se enkọkọ akọwo na ya ka chen so ensuo ne kra wa akwada ne ho no sua nti e wo se ensuo ne wa akwada ne ho ba na eba, and it's not safe because eno ana ebo akwada ne ho ban nti ya refer mo ntamu a ahwa mu nya akwada no ntam na they refer them. Na omu refer obuso a omu call baby omu call ya ye beje omu do omu kache omu say ye CS kura amonye omu koduru a omu de na mpani ho na den na omu so wo de omu kache say CS kura so de amon na ho da ho do so yi kwa na eko omu ko hwe akwada yi ma lady ya onyim ye see twite omu attend to her vital scrum suspect say bi o man take the mami da wa afei watwe. It is very sad. Aya carelessness no edoso alapa mami komra mekoba enkomo ho a yebedie efrem na Kwame also unkwantabisa amanfo unkwantabisa ni sa radio sports team no I